absolutely nobody wants to buy stocks anymore, right? Right, Danny? All of a sudden,
Yep.
everybody disappeared in terms of buying stocks. Nobody says, "Oh, what are the 3 stocks you want to buy?" The answer is none. And here's the reason why I think that stocks are going to crash more. You have all these clowns on YouTube. They're still talking about buying the dip, and Tesla is still a great buy, even though it's really overflated stock. I think this market is scary. You don't want to be in this market anymore.
But don't you want to be buying when everyone is fearful, Michael?
No, that's really junk. They're kind of throwing out slogans because, okay, there was a lot of fear in 2008. Well, it kept going down more, and a lot of these people are still promoting junk that honestly doesn't even have profits. Like Uber, I didn't know that. I just recently learned it. Uber, Airbnb, Beyond Meat. Apparently, a lot of these companies don't have any profits.
What about Coin?
Coin, I think they have revenue, but it's going down, and I guess they're operating maybe at a loss too. Not a big loss, but I guess it's going down. But anyway, all these stocks, a lot of them are junk, going down 40, 50, 75%. Some are down like 90%. And I know so many people, they think, oh, I'm going to buy now. Well, I think honestly, think about how the markets have been. There's only one thing that has been pushing the markets up for the last several years, and that has been the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve said, oh, here's some easy money. But they're doing something they have never done before, if you think about it. Never in 5,000 years of history have we gone from 0% rates, which we had, and them being pushed dramatically up all of a sudden. This has never has happened in human history. So when you think about that, it starts breaking things. A lot of companies find that they can't afford these higher borrowing costs, and it just has a ripple effect throughout the economy. And so many people are thinking, I'm going to buy now, it's so cheap compared to last year. But you're going to find that it continues to go down. And whereas people who were just holding cash got rid of all their crypto, got rid of all their stocks, they're just waiting. They're just having a great old time watching as the stock market collapses, because guess what? We don't have to buy at the absolute bottom. That's not really how the best investors in human history didn't really need to buy at the absolute bottom. You just need to buy at a time when the stocks are no longer collapsing anymore, and they might actually be way cheaper than they are today. So the irony is, these people who say, oh, look how smart I am, I'm buying the dip. Ironically, they might be buying it at way higher than the smart investors who will be buying it at the right time. Now, it won't be at the absolute bottom, but it will be a proper price point, whereas it is not at the moment. Same with crypto. Crypto has been kind of a disappointment to a lot of people, because we were promised that this helps to deal with inflation, or this helps to diversify, when in reality, crypto is not helping with inflation, at least not short term, and also is not really very diversified either, because the truth is it's gone down just with the market. So it's basically has disappointed a lot of people, I think. But the truth is, you're getting a lot of bad advice from these other YouTubers. I'm not gonna mention them, but their names. But a lot of them, they're not bearish enough. They're not actually trying to discourage you enough from trying to buy the next hot stock. Some of them are holding Tesla stock. I can't believe that someone would be holding that, especially because Tesla went up like 700% in I think in 2020, and I think it may go back all the way down there. I'm not exactly sure what justified Tesla going up that much. It certainly isn't justified on a PE basis.
And it seemed like Bill Gates timed this short perfectly. How did that happen?
Yeah, see, Bill Gates, he kind of knows to short Tesla. I think so many people have been burned trying to short Tesla, because the truth is, Tesla's fundamentals, they don't make sense. I mean, it is a very high priced stock in terms of how much cash flow is coming into the company. So a lot of people have looked at the numbers, and never thought it made sense. And I never bought the stock, and I never believed in the company, to be honest. In fact, I've sat in a Tesla, and here's the thing, I actually think Elon Musk is a cool person, but I just don't like his company. I'm not really a big fan of the Tesla automobile. That's just me. Anyway, I would love to hear what you think, whether you're still buying stocks in this market or not. I have completely sold out of everything, and I'll be probably, you know what, this bear market may end in October when maybe the Federal Reserve all of a sudden says, well, we fixed inflation, or maybe something breaks in the economy and they're forced to have emergency injection of liquidity like they did in the past. So we don't really know what's going to happen. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to hit the like button too.